What's up, guys? Today's video, we are trying to fix the Ninja 500. It ran, we hopped on it, we tried to go to Michigan for a little ride, about 2 hours away. Got everything ready, and right before we were about to leave, my bike starts. The Ninja 500 doesn't. So my buddy has no ride. We couldn't make the trip. Spent all day trying to fix it, didn't know what to do. Tomorrow we're rebuilding the carburetor, or at least taking it apart and cleaning it. Stay tuned. Peace.
I'll kick your ass,
Go potty.
Dude. You poop outside.
Archer Nibbler, go potty.
Yeah, you go poop, dude.
Tell him go poop.
Sometimes you just gotta be supportive. You poop, dude.
Archer.
This probe don't work.
Go.
Yeah, you go poop, dude. You know you gotta poop.
He does.
We all know you gotta poop. You better poop.
Archer Nibbler, go potty.
You son of a bitch, you better poop.
I don't know when he's gonna poop and he starts spreading his back legs.
Oh, at least we tried.
There he
There
goes.
he goes.
Starts spreading his back legs and now he's pooping.
It actually worked.
He does. I told you.
Oh Jesus! What the fuck, dude? What the fuck?
That's the last bolt I got to go.
Oh, you fucked it up. You just totaled your fucking sports bike, man. Yeah, we're gonna go to Ann Arbor, but
Laid it down.
no, it wouldn't start. So, changing the oil, you know, we kind of thought it was the original oil filter from factory. It really looked like it to me. But 12,000 miles, I really hope not.
Right.
But for 2,000, so yeah, it won't start, won't even fire. So we're trying to change the spark plugs. See what we get. If not, then we're gonna roll into the fuel system to see what we get there. So we're not going to Ann Arbor today. No picking up no car. Okay, one sec, I'll show you. We're not picking up no carts, but we are gonna go to that reception though. We gotta get this fixed up time. Making progress, making progress. I think those are the original spark plugs. Anyway, we're gonna have to clean that stuff out. But this, like, oh man, I love this. It's so sturdy. Like when it's on the bike, I just feel like I could pull this bike anywhere. I could take it off-roading. I could bury it in the mud and pull this bitch out. No problem. Yeah, he's over there fucking around. Massive roadblock. We do not have the toolkit because some cocksucker before took it. So we are gonna have to buy a thin wheel or a thin walled socket. Because a socket will not fit in that hole.
You're riding with me, staying out here with the bike.
I'll ride with you. Nobody's gonna fuck with it. Hopefully we got it. Hopefully it's thin wall. Hopefully it's thin enough. It's about as thin as they come though. Stupid ass stone roads. Stupid ass wall park. Woo! So yeah, it worked. We pulled the old ones out. It's kind of a pain because of this was in the way. We unhooked all this, but that metal piece was kind of in the way. So we're gonna hook the gas back up and see what we got. So I think we figured it out. We took all this apart. The problem is we're not getting any gas out of this tube at all, no matter what. So we're gonna drain the gas out. And the thing is, how we're gonna drain this, because we can't, like, there's no gas coming out. We have to drain it slow. It'll take forever.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure like gas is supposed to be coming out of that because that's what gives gas to your throttle body.
So
I don't know. Loosen it a little bit. Maybe it's too tight. I don't know.
there's no screw to loosen there.
I'm gonna get the gas out.
Well, it's not the most efficient way,
I'm gonna get my keys.
but we're working at twice the pace here.
Fuck.
Damn, dude.
Will help me take off our
This is like, this is, yeah, give me a minute. This is like peeing drunk, dude. The toilet bowl looks so small sometimes. I don't mean to dog on myself, but I really am one lazy son of a bitch. Maybe I'll get this one up. We'll get this bike running sooner or later. One day. I hope. I'm gonna start pulling all this off now.
Let's multitask.
Yeah. Check this out. We do it this way because, you know, it saves on weed whacking. Sweet. Sweet. And we got this son of a bitch earlier and he's already smoldering. You can already tell the difference between that and like that. Slightly, but it's smoldering.
Here, maybe needs
He's feeling it.
Maybe
He's
needs a
not
little bit of
feeling too
water
hot.
to lift.
Nah, that boy needs some milk.
Be all right. Oh God, it's dying.
Just need a little high quality H2O. He's probably gonna be fucked touching all this gas and touching it, but getting it back together slowly. Yeah, candy. Yeah, the guy on the YouTube told us you gotta go out here and we gotta pet our cock, so we came out here.
Pet the shit out of it.
We got it out, and that cock is definitely petted. I tell you what, ready to go back in it. Slowly going back. Now that we got the screwdriver. Looks good to you, right?
Yeah.
Close enough for the women I go out with. Just gotta tighten it down.
Yeah, which needs to be a little bit tighter.
Yeah.
She's almost as loose as your first girlfriend.
Tighten it down. Put it back in the tank, and I say this cock is petted. Yamaha had this toolkit with my bag. It says you don't have one, so I figured I'd grab mine. They sent me this wicked ass screwdriver. Wicked ass. Oh shit. Sabotaging my own video. That's a flathead game changer. I'll use it to clean that up a bit. Yeah, we don't give a fuck about no grass.
Oh, I gave him a tank though. My
Oh
tank.
shit. Oh dude, you splooged all over your tank, bro. The best candy. Not gum. Candy. Good shit.
Alright, Jake. Get this starter fluid, huh?
Yeah. Got it back in there. Actuating properly. Bam, that cock is fucking headed. Look at that stuff. Okay, so it does not want to idle. It wants to die when it gets down to idle. We've mixed with the air fuel mixture. We're really not trying to take the carburetor all the way apart. We don't have to. Running seafoam through it right now. Slowly improving, but yeah, we're working towards it. Yeah. It broke down. We got it running, but it wasn't running efficiently. It was running very rough. But for some reason, like at some point, we didn't even have the gas turned up. When we first started, we started with starting fluid, and it ran for a couple minutes with no gas in it. We didn't even have the gas hooked up, and we do not know how it ran.
Kawasaki, that's how, bro. They make their own engine.
Yeah, fucking race bikes, dude. They're fucking blessed by Jesus, man. They're just refilling, self-refilling tank. Same as the oil, at least a little bit of oil. Nah, don't worry about it. It multiplies its own.
That's
oil.
the difference between a Harley and a sports bike. Sports bikes make their own oil.
So we went to the bar, and everything was going great until it was time to leave. There was almost a fight outside, and then all of a sudden, these guys, I don't know,
they ran out and kicked over 3 fucking Harleys.
Yeah, my bike was on the end, and it was the only one on the very end that wasn't untouched. Like literally, they would have went one bike more to the right, they would have knocked my bike. I don't know how my bike, but yeah, like the dude was pissed about his Harley. He was fucking, oh dude, that's badass. The fuck? He was
Why can't you have those on your bike, Jake?
Yeah, dude.
How can a bicycle be cooler?
That's what I would have said to the dude. When the dude was like, "Man, I should knock over this dude's fucking bike," I should have been like, "No, dude, look at these rims, dumbass." No, we're gonna get it figured out tomorrow. We're gonna take the carburetor off. We didn't want to have to. We tried everything.
We'll get a whole little view of it.
I've been to school. I already know how bad carburetor sinking is and just rebuilding carburetors. We don't have a rebuild kit, so we're gonna rebuild it tomorrow with no rebuild kit.
Yeah.
And we're gonna hope that we can do it right with just carb cleaner and gas.
Unless we can get a rebuild kit tomorrow on the fly. We can get a rebuild kit on the fly.
If Ohio Cycle Works has a rebuild kit in stock, I will pay for it. Yeah, one of us will pay for it.
We'll get that bitch.
Look
We'll treat Sally good.
Look at these shitty ass Kawasaki welds though. Look at this shit. Garbage ass fucking frame welds.
Hey, don't blame them. They're squinting.
No, I will say
squinting.
That. No, fuck that, dude.
They're squinting, dude. They can't see right.
1990 Ninja 500, but look at the fucking frame weld. What does the other side look like? That's what I'm curious about. Is the other side just as bad? Okay, so the automatic machine did great on this side. Fantastic fucking weld. But on this side, it's like, you're getting a Harley Davidson style.
Oh, God.
Look at all this shit. It's like garbage. This whole side is garbage.
If I paid for a Harley,
whatever frame welder they had for this side was completely trash. Completely trash, dog.
It's all right. When it cracks on that side, I'll take some duct tape to it.
Hey, we'll weld it right.
No, duct tape. That's all.
You know what this bike needs?
Duct tape.
If you can't duck it, fuck it.
Yeah.
But no, this bike
needs carburetor cleaning.
Other than that, I think this bike just needs a little integrity. If we just smoke a little integrity by it and just blow the smoke into the engine, I think we'll be all right. I think we'll be just fine.
Oh yeah.
We did a lot, but that starter is cranking its fucking heart out today. Holy shit. That thing's working.
The little engine that could, but didn't.
Scraping pegs on a Ninja 500. That's what that looks like. No, this bike's nice, dude. Like, I got an R3, but like, I like how smooth it is because if I rode this, I wouldn't rack my nuts on the tank like I do on my R3 every time I ride it.
Nah, like,
I came back and as soon as I let off the throttle, it's like, oh god, I fucking.
Every time you probably stall yours, you rack your nuts. I've stalled this bitch like 7 times.
It's not so bad for you though, you know.
It doesn't rack my nuts.
You got a woman, you can like convince her to go like rub your nutsack, but like, I ain't got shit, so like I gotta rub my own nutsack, and that just makes it sad and lonely.
That's what motorcycles need. A nutsack rubber on the bottom of them, right there. Put a personalized nutsack rubber right there.
That's why Buell went under. They didn't have shit like that.
That's if you get a Triumph. If you get a Triumph, it comes with a nutsack fucking massager.
Yeah, we need to hit up Yami Noob, have him talk about that shit. Triumph nutsack fucking fondler. Alright.
What are the motorcycle mods you actually need?
We'll get at more tomorrow. See what we get. Hope you liked today's video, guys. Like and subscribe for more content. Peace out. Stay positive. Deuces.